BigBuy Dropshipping features, strengths, weaknesses. BigBuy is a wholesale platform offering dropshipping services, primarily catering to European markets, but increasingly expanding globally. Key features include a vast product catalog spanning various niches like home goods, electronics, beauty, and fashion, with over 150,000 items readily available for dropshipping. They offer multi-channel synchronization, allowing you to connect to platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and PrestaShop, streamlining order fulfillment and inventory management. Their catalog is available in multiple languages, which is crucial for targeting diverse European audiences. BigBuy is designed for entrepreneurs, e-commerce store owners, and even established businesses looking to expand their product offerings without holding inventory. It's particularly appealing to those targeting European customers due to their localized focus and shipping capabilities within the EU. The primary strengths lie in its extensive product selection, competitive wholesale pricing, allowing for reasonable profit margins, and integrated dropshipping services that handle packaging and shipping directly to your customers. Their multi-channel integration simplifies the process of managing sales across multiple platforms. However, BigBuy has weaknesses. Shipping times, particularly outside of Europe, can be longer compared to domestic dropshipping within a single country. While pricing is competitive, some products may still be found cheaper elsewhere if you're willing to source directly from manufacturers. Customer support, although generally adequate, has been reported by some users as being slow to respond or lacking in-depth product knowledge. A potential con is that you're competing with other dropshippers also using BigBuy, so product selection and marketing become even more important to stand out. Brand customization is limited, as shipments come directly from BigBuy warehouses, lacking your own branded packaging options unless you upgrade to higher tiers. Consider BigBuy if you need a large product selection, are targeting European customers, and value simplified integration with major e-commerce platforms. Weigh the convenience against potentially longer shipping times and the need for strong marketing to differentiate yourself. For sellers requiring extensive brand control or incredibly fast shipping, exploring alternatives might be more beneficial. Ultimately, BigBuy is a solid dropshipping solution, especially for those new to e-commerce or those focused on the European market, provided you're aware of its limitations and plan accordingly.